All right, everyone. Good morning. Thank you very much for joining me. It is 4 o'clock a.m. New York is the time. Pre-market just started it's 4:05 actually. All right, so pre-market started. I wanted to get this video out real quick. Some people may not have noticed. Yesterday after hours and over the night, the American markets started to go upwards. So did the Asian markets, which is very positive. I'm guessing that, I don't know, things are looking good. I think that today is going to be a really good day, even though it's a Friday. Maybe, usually Fridays are not so good, but anyways, what I want to show you is exactly something big, right? It's going to be amazing. We could be headed for a bull run. We could be headed for not a bull run for years, all right? Let's not forget inflation, all that stuff, but we could be headed for a bull run going forward now and through the summer. That's good. For me, that's good enough. It's amazing. And there's news, and there's something that we can base this. We can say hypothesis. Let's say. Let me get to it. All right, the Asian markets rise after Wall Street reversed losses overnight following Fed caution, right? So that was March 3, 2023, 2:35 a.m. Eastern Time when it came out. Japan is up 1.56%, China is up 0.5%, Hong Kong up, and so on, Australia, India, and so on. So they're up, all right? That's a positive sign, and you should have a diversified portfolio and so on. Also have diversified investments, not just in the U.S. markets, but globally. Believe it or not, if you had invested in Europe the past 6 months, you would have been up 45%, virtually almost any way you got it. All right, if you had invested in the MSI Greek ETF that specializes in the Greek markets, it's available for all U.S. citizens to invest in that. You'd have been up year to date 45%. If you would have invested in the German ETF, you'd have been up 45%, and so on. Swedish up 50%. So diversification, guys. But overnight in the U.S., major U.S. stock indices are closing higher on the day. Both the S&P and NASDAQ index averted closing, it says here, below a key 200-day moving average, which was something I was looking forward to, and I'm very happy that occurred. The NASDAQ index already closed below the 200-day moving average yesterday. After 2 days of losses, the S&P 500 advanced 29.96 points to the end at 3,981. Meanwhile, the NASDAQ concluded trading at 11,462. All right, but let's get to the let me get to the point. The point is this, the red rectangular area on the bottom of your screen. It says, however, stocks rallied during the middle of the day after Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic offered a ray of hope for monetary policy. He said that the central bank could be in a position to pause rate hikes this summer. All right. Now, nothing has been officially been announced or confirmed that they will pause rate hikes, but let me tell you something. If they pause rate hikes, the markets will explode. The markets will go on a bull run, right? So if we're getting messages now that they're in a position to possibly pause the rate hikes, right? We're not saying finish it and stop it, but pause it. That pause will be enough to spike a really, really good bull run. Should be enough to give open positions that you may have in really good stocks turn green. If it's a good stock, it'll turn green. All right. So, in my opinion, this is big news, very big news. Some people are not aware of this at all. So this is why I wanted to put this out. So by summertime, we could be headed for a bull run. Kamal on my Discord, you told me yesterday by summer we might be going for a bull run. Didn't tell me exactly what it was. Maybe it's this. Let me know. All right, so that's awesome. That's pretty cool. I'm very excited. Also, on my Discord, I talked about a gold stock a while back, and I said I'm gonna buy it because I think it's good time to invest in a gold stock. The specific gold stock was trading at $3.60, if I remember, $3.70 around there. It's doing very well. It's doing well. Slowly, it's not your explosive Troika Media Group stock. No gold stock is like that, but gold prices rose. Look at that. Gold prices rose on Friday and look set to post their biggest weekly gain since mid-January as the U.S. dollar eased, while traders assess prospects of further rate hikes by the Federal Reserve. All right, I'm very excited about. Here we have the Friday's economic calendar. If anyone's interested, PMI composite final at 9:45, 10 a.m. ISM Service Index, 11 Fed's Logan speech. Important to look at that. Hey, you know what? We find those Fed speeches boring, but Bostic speech, I want to look at that 11:45 today, because that's the guy, that's Mr. Bostic is the one who said that we might be pausing rate hikes. This is going to be awesome. Small pause won't be bad for the markets and the economy. It'll be a little breath of air, let's say. At 1 p.m., Baker Hughes rate count, 3 p.m. Fed's Bauman speech, and 4:15 Fed's bargain. Look, boring speeches, but important ones. I will be looking forward to the 11:45 Fed's Bostic speech for sure. Very excited, very excited. The other thing is, Cidara Therapeutics Incorporation, guys. I did a video about Cidara Therapeutics over a month ago when it was 75 cents. As you can see here, here's the screenshot of that video that I had done. And what happened then? It was at 75 cents. After the video, within about a week or two, the stock climbed all the way up to 165 or something like that. And so it went from 75 cents to 165 or 170, around there. Then, which was a stunning gain, right? That was an amazing gain. Then it drops down from 170 to 75 cents. Then it climbs from 75 cents to 196. And then yesterday it did a public offering, and it went down to 155 that it closed on after hours, right? The point of this is that Cidara Therapeutics, even though they did that public offering yesterday, went down to 155. The stock has an upcoming FDA possible approval on March 22nd this month. And I believe that it will be approved because a few weeks ago, or more than that, the FDA panel had voted 14-1 in favor of their drug, right? So, in my opinion, from that, a vote from the FDA panel for voting in favor and so on, I am assuming that they will approve it. So I think that the stock, and I'm saying this for people who had invested in Cidara Therapeutics and they saw the public offering yesterday, and the stock had fallen from 196 to 155. Maybe it'll fall a little more. I don't know. I think that kind of maybe we should not be worried, because the stock is headed for an FDA approval March 22nd, right? So that's that. CDTX is a ticker symbol. And then we have that beautiful speech from Raphael Bostic saying that we might pause rate hikes this summer. That's amazing. I think that if it does occur, and I'm hoping it does, we're going to have a great summer, an amazing summer. You want to join my bull market watch? Discord. The Discord link will be in the comment section below.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.